Montana's chief federal judge, Richard Siebel, is apologizing today after he forwarded an email containing basically a racist statement about Barack Obama. So basically, the email compared African Americans to dogs, and he also implied that President Barack Obama's mother slept with animals.
A racist judge just got bounced from the bench, and hard. I'm attorney Adrienne Lawrence, and this is TYT's Overruled. A Colorado judge has agreed to step down after she was outed for making racist statements to her colleagues. Some of these statements were low-key, and others were loud and clear. Natalie T. Chase of the state's 18th Judicial District is resigning effective May 31st. This 43-year-old Chase, who happens to be a white woman, had been appointed in 2014 by then-Governor John Hickenlooper, a Democrat. Racism resides and rides across party lines. And so do you want to hear what Chase had to say? She would use the N-word, apparently at will, because she didn't think it was fair that black people got to use it and white people didn't. That's really rich. Also, back in February, when she was asked whether she would watch the Super Bowl, Chase said to her colleagues that she'd be boycotting the game because of the players who were kneeling. Yeah, that kind of sounds a little bit of a dog whistle to me. And also during the protests of 2020, Chase asked a black court employee to explain Black Lives Matter to her, only for Chase to say she believes all lives matter. When she was called out, Judge Chase apologized and agreed to waive her right to a hearing in the formal censure proceedings. Evidently, she knew, hey, she had been exposed. And this isn't an isolated incident, however. Chase is not the only judge to be dropped because racism was showing. Last month in Washington state, a judge said that he was going to go on hiatus from the bench after he made disparaging comments about a black man who had been killed by police. In February, a Louisiana district court judge resigned after her racist text messages were leaked to the public. Pennsylvania judge resigned in November of 2020 after facing multiple misconduct charges, including calling a juror Aunt Jemima. And a month before that, in upstate New York, a judge resigned after posting an image of a noose in front of a black background on his Facebook page. The judiciary is really just a microcosm of our society at large, which means racism is rampant. It is everywhere. It's systemic. And when it's in the judiciary, we end up with racial disparities in sentencing and in life opportunities. Black people are 13% of the population, but 40% of those in prison. Incarceration rates for black versus white Americans is 2,300 to 450 per 100,000. We're overrepresented across the board when it comes to incarceration, yet we're no less criminal than any other racial group. The system is simply rigged this way. We need change, because bouncing judges like Natalie Chase, it's a good start, but it can't be the end of the work that we do. Thanks so much for watching.